Welcome back to YouTube the Game. You've successfully navigated the landscape of video formats and begun building your subscriber base. Now in Level 3 Thumbnails, we're going to delve into the crucial visual gateway to your content. Think of your thumbnail as the silent ambassador for your video. It's often the very first impression a potential viewer has, and it can be the ultimate deciding factor in whether they choose to click and watch. This level will unlock the secrets to crafting compelling, click-worthy thumbnails that effectively stop the endless scroll and drive valuable traffic directly to your channel. Consider this. In the fast-paced, constantly updating world of online video, viewers are continuously bombarded with an overwhelming number of options. Your thumbnail serves as your primary tool to cut through this relentless noise and instantly grab their fleeting attention. Visualize it as the cover of a captivating book. It needs to be sufficiently intriguing, visually appealing, and informative enough to make someone want to open it up and explore the story within. A truly high-performing YouTube thumbnail isn't simply a random, uninspired screenshot taken from your video. Instead, it's a thoughtfully and carefully crafted visual that succinctly communicates the core essence of your content and actively entices viewers to click and engage. Here are the essential elements that every successful thumbnail incorporates. High-quality visuals. First and foremost, ensure you are always using images that are crystal clear, sharp, and well-lit. Immediately discard any blurry or low-resolution graphics as they project an unprofessional image. Compelling subject. Your thumbnail should prominently feature the single most interesting or intriguing aspect of your video. This could be a captivating close-up of your face, expressing a strong emotion relevant to the content, a visually striking key object that is central to the video's theme, or a particularly captivating and dynamic scene captured from within your footage. Clear and concise text. If you choose to include text on your thumbnail, and this can be a very effective strategy, ensure it is kept short, incredibly easy to read at just a quick glance, and directly relevant to the core topic of your video. Always opt for strong, highly legible fonts that stand out against your background. Consistent branding. Develop a recognizable visual style that remains consistent across all of your thumbnails. This strategic approach helps viewers instantly recognize your content as they are scrolling through their feeds. Your consistent branding could involve specific color schemes that you regularly use, particular font styles that are uniquely yours, or recurring design elements that become synonymous with your channel. Visual hierarchy. Ensure that the most important elements within your thumbnail are designed to stand out prominently. Utilize strategic variations in size, impactful color choices, and thoughtful placement within the frame to naturally guide the viewer's eye to the key information you want them to see first. Intrigue and curiosity. Arguably, the most effective thumbnails are those that successfully create a palpable sense of intrigue and genuine curiosity in the viewer's mind. They should subtly hint at the exciting content within, making viewers feel compelled to click to uncover the full story or solution. While the fundamental principles of creating a highly effective thumbnail remain consistent across different video lengths, there are some subtle yet important nuances to consider when designing specifically for long-form content versus the shorter, more immediate format of YouTube Shorts. Long-form thumbnails. With longer videos, you often have a little more visual real estate to work with on your thumbnail and can strategically incorporate a few more elements, such as featuring multiple subjects that appear in the video or including slightly more detailed text that provides context. The primary goal here is to clearly convey the overarching topic of your in-depth video while simultaneously piquing the viewer's interest enough to commit to a longer viewing session. YouTube Shorts thumbnails. In contrast, Shorts thumbnails are frequently displayed much smaller and are often viewed by users who are actively on the go, quickly scrolling through their feeds. Therefore, the key here is to keep them incredibly visually impactful and exceptionally easy to understand at just a fleeting glance. Bold, attention-grabbing visuals paired with very short, punchy text tend to perform best in this rapid consumption environment. It's also crucial to remember that YouTube sometimes auto-selects a frame from your short as the thumbnail. So, proactively ensure that your opening seconds are visually engaging and representative of your content. However, you often have the valuable option to upload a custom thumbnail specifically designed for your shorts. Don't overlook this powerful feature. You absolutely do not need to be a seasoned professional graphic designer with years of experience. to create highly effective and eye-catching thumbnails. Fortunately, there are numerous accessible tools and practical techniques available to you right now. Built-in YouTube thumbnail editor. YouTube itself offers a set of basic tools that allow you to select a frame directly from your video or upload a custom image that you've created externally. Free online design platforms. User-friendly platforms like Canva and Adobe Express provide intuitive interfaces and a wide array of templates specifically designed for crafting compelling YouTube thumbnails. These are fantastic resources for beginners and experienced creators alike. Image editing software. If you have more experience with image manipulation, powerful tools like Adobe Photoshop offer an extensive range of advanced customization options and creative control. Using emojis and graphics. The strategic placement of relevant emojis and simple graphics can be a highly effective way to add visual interest to your thumbnails and quickly convey emotion or the topic of your video in a universally understood way. Consistent layouts. Consider creating a reusable template for your thumbnails. This not only ensures visual consistency across your channel, but also significantly speeds up your content creation workflow. Actively steering clear of these common thumbnail design pitfalls will significantly improve your click-through rates and ultimately help more viewers discover your valuable content. Just like the detrimental effect of misleading titles, using thumbnails that do not accurately represent the actual content of your video will inevitably frustrate viewers, lead to decreased watch time, and severely damage your channel's hard-earned reputation for trustworthiness. Trying to cram too many disparate elements onto your thumbnail can quickly overwhelm viewers and make it incredibly difficult for them to understand the central topic of your video at a glance. Always strive for clean, focused, and easily digestible designs. Using blurry or pixelated images in your thumbnails immediately projects an unprofessional image and acts as a significant deterrent to potential clicks. Always prioritize crisp, high-quality visuals. Inconsistent branding. Confusing your audience by using drastically different and unrelated thumbnail styles across your various videos will make it harder for them to recognize your content and build brand recognition for your channel. Ignoring text legibility. Carefully consider the fonts you use. Selecting fonts that are too small, difficult to read due to stylistic choices, or clash poorly with the background colors of your thumbnail will render your text ineffective and potentially deter clicks. Building upon the accessible tools we've discussed, it's also worth noting the increasingly powerful role that leveraging AI for thumbnail images can play in your content creation process. As previously mentioned, AI image generation tools are rapidly becoming a valuable asset for creating truly unique and eye-catching thumbnails, even if you personally lack traditional graphic design skills. Tools like Grok, Gemini, Night Cafe, or even AI-powered features that are now being integrated directly into established design platforms can help you generate a wide array of compelling visuals based on simple text prompts that directly relate to your video's content. Don't hesitate to experiment with different and creative prompts to discover truly unique images that will make your thumbnails stand out from the crowded landscape of YouTube. Level up your game, make every click count. Your thumbnail serves as your frontline salesperson on the incredibly competitive landscape of YouTube. By thoroughly understanding the essential elements of effective thumbnail design, diligently utilizing the readily accessible tools and techniques available to you, and actively avoiding the common and detrimental mistakes we've discussed, you can strategically craft visually compelling thumbnails that consistently capture attention, effectively drive clicks, and ultimately ensure that your amazing content gets seen by the audience it deserves.